Hello everybody and welcome to Memphis, Tennessee on this hot and humid day. It's kind of windy today, but anyway, this video is about the Ryobi 40 volt 17-inch cut weed eater that I just got. Supposedly it has 4 times more power than what? I don't know. A durable carbon shaft, supposed to be quiet, and 4 times faster charging. I guess we'll see on all that. Anyway, I'm going to tell you why I got it, and here we go. Okay, I took everything out of the box, and as you can see here, we have the weed eater part. It's nice. Looks like it has a carbon shaft, which it says it does, carbon fiber. And I got this bag full of goodies. And the charger, one of those nice fast chargers, and another battery. And that's all that. Alright, it's all put together. And that's what it looks like. And it comes with a 6 amp-hour battery here, which is pretty big. But it's okay. There's the charger, and then it does come with a heavier attachment for the weed eater and some extra line. But anyway, the motor is up front, which does give it a little heavier front end than like the gas motor weed eaters. So I used it real quick because I had a little bit of charge in the battery, and I think it does okay. There's my line. It's going to take a little getting used to because every weed eater is different. And this one is different. It's heavier in the front, and the guard is a lot bigger than I'm used to, so it's harder to see, but hopefully after a few times using it I'll get used to it. It is heavier, like I said up front, but we'll see. Hopefully it'll be okay. Alright, why did I decide to get the electric one versus the gas? Well, the gas Echo and this one were the same price, and I have lots of batteries, so I was hoping that I don't have the 6 amp-hour battery, but I have lots of 4s and 3s, so I was hoping this will be a good substitution and I wouldn't have to carry around gas mixture all the time, but we'll see. I'm just hoping. I haven't got to use it except for my lawn, so I don't know how well it'll do. Kind of in between on it right now, but like I said, after a few weeks I'll know more. Okay, after a couple of uses of the Ryobi, I opted to return it and to go with my trusty Echo, and I will explain why. So the Ryobi 17-inch that I was using had the motor up here, and it made it extremely heavy. And as I discussed in the one part of it, that it was really front end heavy, and it was really difficult to use because of that. But it did have adequate power compared to the Echo and other gas weed eaters, and I do have plenty of Ryobi products, but the weed eater was just not a good fit for me, and so I went with my trusty Echo, which I've had a couple of them over the years, and it is very light to use in the front. But anyway, that's just my decision. The Ryobi was a good weed eater, but it just was a little too heavy in the front, and the guard was really big. So I don't know if this helps with anybody's decision, but anyway, when you do look at the battery powered ones, you might want to really see how heavy it is in the front and whether the motor's in the front or in the rear, because that does make a difference from what you might be used to. Okay, well, thank you all very much, and I hope this helps some. Bye.